Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. The 2018 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special with 10,290 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, Reinhardt mufflers, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, a Clockworks windshield, docking hardware, shift linkage, saddlebag guards, a short antenna, and an LED headlight. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide puts 107 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Street Glide Special has a 180 to 200 mile range. It has a 27-inch seat height and weighs in at 793 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. It should be noted that in New Hampshire, this bike would fail because it's missing passenger handholds, but in New York, this is not a problem. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, and both tires are at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a crack on the rear fender. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.